Dear participants, today I am going to talk about the very important topic of botanical nomenclature, which is called as typification. There are different kinds of types. All the types are listed here, and of which I am going to discuss exclusively on first two different types of types, which is called as holotype and isotype in this lecture. What is holotype? Holotype is of any specimen or illustration used by the author or designated by the original author as the nomenclatural type. So, whenever anyone describes a new species or a new taxon, it can be of a species or variety or pharma, they have to designate either a specimen or illustrations as the holotype. Otherwise, that particular publication cannot be considered as a valid name. So, in 2020, if you look at the concept of designating the illustrations as the type, is applicable only to the microscopic algae and fungus. But for the flowering plants or for the other groups like pteridophytes or gymnosperms, one cannot designate the illustrations as the type. If anyone designate at 2020 in the year 2020, for example, as illustrations as the type for the angiosperm, then that particular publication cannot be considered as valid, and the name that is described by that particular author is not a valid name. And in the code referring to the article 9.1, you will get the complete details about the holotype. The next is called as isotype. And what is isotype? It is any duplicate specimens of holotype is called as isotype. But here in this case, again, isotype is again always a specimen, but it can be of in multiple numbers. The major difference between the holotype and isotype is in holotype it is always a single specimen, but in the isotype it can be of more than one specimen. And the article 9.5 of ICN discusses exclusively on this particular the concept called isotypes. Thank you.